What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Three Pedal Devils. This is Willie. Today the boys and I are going to start working on our disc brake conversion for the rear of this 1966 Chevy C10. We've got all the parts in from our customer's Performance Online 4-wheel disc brake conversion kit. So you can see here we've got the rear calipers powder coated in black. We've also got the rear caliper brackets and a bunch of the other hardware and stuff that we'll need to start installing the rears. So today we're going to get going on that. So I'm going to interrupt the video here to give you a tip if you're trying to attempt or thinking about attempting a disc brake conversion like this on your C10. So the issue we ran into was that the hub on the axle, I can't show you because they're in Bo's car, but I'll drop a picture in, is larger than the diameter of the opening on the center of the brake rotor here. So if you're thinking about doing this, you might want to call around in your area for a machine shop that's willing to do it before you attempt the project, just to make sure you're not stuck with rotors that don't fit. All right, now back to the video. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed that beautiful time lapse. That probably didn't get anything of what we were actually doing. But we pulled both drums off, both sides. Got the diff cover off. Now Max is, what are you trying to pull? C-clip?
Yeah, but the axle's all the way in, but I can't get the C-clip out.
We're gonna pull this bolt, pull the pin, push the axle in, pull the C-clip out, pull the axles out. It's a good thing your girl bought you that sick onesie.
Hey, it's not a onesie.
I mean a jump onesie.
Coveralls.
Jumpsuit.
Coveralls!
Race car suit! Wow, there's so much grease either on the screen or the lens.
It's on the grease. It's on the what? No! Cut it.
Oh my god.
It's on the...
Is that suit firewood tarded?
Light me up.
Sponsored?
I'm wearing Dickies pants underneath this too.
I was like,
What are you wearing underneath those?
Nothing.
just a cock and balls, baby.
Yeah.
Commando.
Well, what happened?
Well, you see, this is supposed to go on this.
Uh-oh.
I see an issue. Hey, Tit, grab the caliper and show us how far off we are.
It's about 3.
3.09? 3.1?
Yeah.
About 3 was right.
And 3.5.
That's not very close at all. No. So that sucks. I don't know what's going on, but you don't look focused at all.
Oh.
That's how you do it.
That's how them go on.
Inverted.
So we just need extra long studs and then a spacer.
Yeah. We need to Bluetooth the rotors.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
They don't even need lugs?
No. You don't even need the rotor on there. It's Bluetooth.
I thought the brake pads were supposed to be Bluetooth.
No, that's the whole brake assembly, actually.
Bye-bye studs. Oh yeah, look. There is not
Those old ones were in there pretty good.
Yeah, we're getting new ones. Oh my god. What the?
Alright, what are we doing with this thing now?
Throw it away.
We gotta go find a machinist to machine this.
I thought we were going to take a hand grinder.
No?
I don't want to do that.
That's what the instructions said, so don't blame the guy.
Yeah, we could do that, but
So it's not.
We're not doing that. Yeah. We're so legit, we're going to outsource it to someone with the proper tools.
Damn, that's the first time we've ever said that.
6.5 hours later.
This is the end.
what's an press fitted?
This is the f***ing end.
We'll just heat it up a bunch.
Yeah.
Smart. Get a 1/2 inch of thermal expansion.
So apparently
Where am I?
there's no machine shops that are in operation anymore.
How many did we call?
18?
18.
I don't think it was quite that many, but it was a lot.
It was like 5.
Yeah, it was 5 at least.
Felt like a lot.
Yep.
All the numbers are disconnected.
Yeah.
And nobody else would pick up the phone.
No, it just kept ringing. So we're gonna go to Hammers.
Yeah.
Yeah, go to the place across the way
Auto shop.
and see if they got any leads. Otherwise, I think we're grinding them.
And we're getting some snow tires for Guy's drift missile.
Yeah. We'll just taper them.
We also called Napa and AutoZone and O'Reilly's for parts, and they kept trying to give us tapered roller bearings for the axles. All right, let's break. Go team!
Yay, team!
So after a lot of f***ing around trying to find a machine shop and searching for parts at the parts stores,
Took a long time. He's like, oh, you want fronts? No. Rears. We told him rears how many times?
well, we got them. Here they are. We got the old seals out, but we don't have anything to get the bearings out, so... Oh, got a mock-up going? Fully installed. So this guy's gonna go to Harbor Freight, buy some quality bearing pullers, so we can get them out. Then we'll throw the new ones in. And I'm gonna sit here and make a list of machine shop phone numbers to call to see if we can get anyone to turn these axles eventually. What are you doing, Max?
I'm probably gonna go with Tit.
He's going with Tit. They're gonna figure it out. So,
Because I want an energy drink.
yes he does.
And hopefully not crash.
I have 7 of them in the fridge, but Max can't have them because they're mine.
Yeah, because I've drank some and then I have to rebuy them every
He
time.
did, and then I drank it the next day. It tasted really good. Wait, what were you saying about crashing?
Oh, it's snowing. I've got summer tires on my car still.
You're a dirty liar because it's not snowing.
It was just out there and it was snowing.
Doesn't look like it.
Well, anyways, that's what we're doing. Oh, and Bo had to leave.
Bought bigger bearing puller kit. Fits in there. It's in there right now.
Okay.
Our issue
First you
now.
tell me to talk, then you tell me not to. Don't understand.
Our issue now is that we only have one slide hammer here, and it's M12 to 9/16.
18.
8.
No, 5/8. 9. Oh yeah. What? Oh my God.
No, it's a 9/16 12
18, right?
coupler. No, because this is a 5/8 18 coupler, so or fitting thread. Yes.
Tie rod.
Dude, it's been a long day of not being successful.
Muffler shifter.
God, we know everything that we're talking about.
If you want to restart that bit.
Dude, we just don't do standard stuff, okay? That's all you need to know. Well,
Max came up with it.
We tried to make an adapter when we went to the hardware store. They don't have any 5/8 18. Hardware stores don't carry fine thread, except for metric, it seems like. But yeah, so either we're gonna have to order some hardware, or maybe in the morning, Dorn will have some stuff.
Yeah. Check.
But yeah, we're just gonna weld 2 bolts together. One that fits in the adapter that we have, and then one that fits in here, so we can double adapt.
And then we're gonna yank those out
Yes, we are.
Hopefully not break the adapter that we make.
or pull the truck off the stands.
It's a possibility.
Back to you.
Back to me.
All right, so that's going to be the end of this one. Camera battery's dying. We're pissed off. Can't do anything else. Got to call machine shops. Got to get parts.
We can do other things, but we're not going to.
Correct. Come back. Watch the carb rebuild. Future time. Not today because we're leaving.
Yeah.
So,
Mhm.
yeah. Thanks for watching.
Do it for
We'll
Dale.
maybe
Oh.
catch you in the next one or something.
Thanks for watching.
Oh my god.
That's dog
Ooh, those bearings are actually pretty bad. I was falling on the rollers.
They smell gross.
Stiff wood.